This is what the engine looked like before the engine cleaning that's scheduled for today. Gotta clean those tires. It's fairly clean, but definitely got some dust and some work to do. Especially when monsoon season hit out here. It's hard to keep the car clean. Oh yeah, by the way, make sure y'all go subscribe to my Instagram, which is Rituals. I'm also, that's the same tag, that's also on YouTube as well as Twitter. So go check me out. Got some good stuff coming. I write books. I got some good books coming, so check me out. Support your boy. This right here is all about the Black Eagle. Also, Black Eagle has his own Instagram account. It's at M2_Black Eagle. That's at M2_Black Eagle. So make sure you give Eagle a follow. He would appreciate that. He's a pretty crazy bird that likes to get into some crazy stuff. But all y'all car enthusiasts would love it. All right, so this is the before, basically. Like I said, I got a car detailer coming over to wash the car. This is Black Eagle's first car detail and engine clean. So that's the before. And when we're done, we'll do that. Look at that engine clean. He did a hell of a job on that engine. Definitely gonna put some before and after pictures so you guys can see it. Also a before and after video, that's what we're working on now. This is the after. Man, he did his thing on this. That thing was filthy. So let's close this up. Look at the attention to detail, man. That looks awesome. Like I said before, make sure y'all hit me up. Follow me on Instagram at Rituals. That's also on YouTube and Twitter. Go ahead and follow. Join that rich crew. Hit that subscribe button, especially on YouTube. Hit that notification bell so you can see and get notified whenever I upload videos to YouTube. Definitely check that out. Man, he did a heck of a job. Looks great. I'll put the link in the description section of the detail company I use, Ayala's. Guy name is Frank. He does amazing work. Make sure y'all hit him up. Great guy also. Definitely want to go here and get your car detailed if you're in Phoenix, Arizona. Did an awesome job. Definitely check that out. Appreciate that, Frank. You're a great guy. Real friendly. Does awesome work. All right, y'all. That's the Eagle. All cleaned up, engine clean. Show you before and after. You guys have a great day, because I know I will. Let's get to the money.